How to fix slow Google Chrome issue on Windows and Mac. 1. Update Google Chrome to the latest. 2. Disable Chrome extensions and blockers. 3. Defer apps and software updates via WTM or Activity Monitor. 4. Clear cache and memory storage in Chrome, and those on PC. 5. Upgrade the storage and hardware support. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 6. Try some alternatives to Google Chrome. 7. Other tips: run through antivirus using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Check and troubleshoot your network. Try some older version of Chrome. Uninstall then reinstall Google. Disable use hardware acceleration when available in Chrome settings. Turn off experimental. Quick protocol at Chrome//flags. Try Chrome Canary. Update operating system. Check default search engine in Chrome. Close unused tabs. Run the Chrome cleanup tool. Wipe the slate clean, reset your Chrome. Stop Chrome pop-ups and notifications. Download speed extensions by using the one-tab extension. Disable Omnibox bookmark tabs. Chrome//flag/hashtag Omnibox bookmark tabs. Bookmark all the open or important tabs. Reset your internet by rebooting your router. Enable Use a Prediction service to load pages more quickly on your Chrome. Last but not least, read the official troubleshooting post. Speed up Google Chrome at https://support.google.com/chrome/answer/1385029?HL=n ampersand co=genie.platform %3D desktop. For more info.